I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to activate an ESIM with Freedom on your iPhone, follow these steps to get connected. Step 1. Check compatibility. Ensure your iPhone model supports ESIM. Most recent models do, but it's good to double check. Step 2. Get your ESIM QR code. Contact Freedom to obtain your ESIM QR code. This will be sent to you via email or SMS. Step 3. Open Settings. On your iPhone, go to the Settings app. This is where you'll manage your cellular plans. Step 4. Add cellular plan. Tap on Cellular and then select Add Cellular Plan. Use your camera to scan the QR code you received. Step 5. Label your plan. Once added, you can label your ESIM plan like Freedom. This helps you identify it easily later. Make sure to restart your iPhone after activation to ensure everything is working smoothly. If you run into issues, double check that you scanned the QR code correctly in Step 4. Happy connecting!